Before the sky lights up tonight, before the noise and the glow, remember what we're really celebrating. It's not just red, white, and blue in the air. It's every color, every story there. Different names on a million doors, different prayers from a million shores. From recipes passed through weathered hands to brand new dreams on borrowed land. 1,000 roads that somehow meet right here together on one street. It ain't perfect, never was, but it's still a place that tries, because every voice can stake a claim and write their truth into the name. It's more than fireworks in the sky, more than a flag we're waving high. It's every voice that dares to sing, every right to be anything. It's freedom loud, it's freedom flawed, it's faith in self, not just in guides. It's all of us, both fierce and kind, a million ways to live one life. Hear the music drift and blend, jazz and hip-hop twist and bend. Old world rhythms, future sound, every beat says we're still around. Smell the stories in the air, spice and smoke from everywhere. Every dish a history, every bite identity. Our faces different, laughter same, different paths, a common flame. We don't match and that's the point, with a glue, not just a joint. We argue loud, we stand our ground, still find ways to come around. Not in spite of what we are, but because we've come this far. It's more than fireworks in the sky, more than a flag we're waving high. It's every voice that dares to sing, every right to be anything. It's freedom loud, it's freedom flawed, it's faith in self, not just in God. It's all of us, both fierce and kind, a million ways to live one life. It's a promise still being made in every risk, in every brave, in every child who dares to dream bigger than what's been seen. It's a work in progress song, gets it right, gets it wrong, but we keep on adding lines till the chorus finally shines. It's more than fireworks in the sky. It's every tear and every try. It's every voice that won't be small, a place that's big enough for all. It's freedom loud, it's freedom flawed, not a finish line, a cause. It's all of us, still undefined, a million hearts, one state of mind. So when the sky lights up tonight, look around you. That's America.